Welcome back to Milita's Delicacies. Friends, I am back with yet another interesting, exciting and drooling recipe for you, and that is the Bombay duck pickle. Now here I have about 25 Kashmiri chilies and 5 Bedgi chilies that will add color to it. And I'm going to cut this into 2 pieces and I'm going to soak it for about an hour or so in Goan toddy vinegar. You may use any type of vinegar that is available to you. And friends, if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, then please do it now. And if you like my video, please do like and do share it with your family and friends so they too enjoy watching my exciting videos. Now until then, let's prep the Bombay ducks. Just clean off their fins and their mouth, but make sure that you clean their stomach part well. And cut them into pieces of 2 inches or a little bigger if you wish so. Bombay duck is a fish that is found in the Arabian Sea between Mumbai and Kutch area. But do you know, friends, that how did this fish get its name? It was during the British Raj time when there was a train running from Bombay to interiors of the region, and it used to transport mail. And in that train, in those wagons, they would also transport these dried fish into crates. To hide that, they named these crates as Bombay duck, meaning Bombay mail. And hence, from then on, this name stuck to this delicious, mouth-watering, but very malodorous fish. So let's get started. Now it's time that we washed these thoroughly well because there is a lot of dust, sand and other residue of dirt on them. Traditionally, to clean these Bombay ducks, we use vinegar. But here I have something very unique to use, which my mother introduced me to this. And that is, this is the third extract of feni. 5% alcohol content it has, but it does have a strong smell of the feni. So this will help to wash them nicely in it and without wasting the vinegar. When you use the vinegar to wash this, that vinegar has to be thrown out. So to avoid that wastage, I am using this. You may use vinegar. Now let's grind these chilies with the vinegar that we soaked in. I will just grind it coarsely first with the vinegar, and then I will add the masala and grind it to a fine, smooth paste. This is very important step. Now let's add the spices. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a piece of cinnamon stick. Just break it into pieces and add so that it becomes easy to grind. A tablespoon of peppercorns, half tablespoon of cloves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a handful of peeled garlic, a piece of ginger, and grind this all to a smooth, fine paste. Here my masala is ready. I had left these Bombil to be washed into this for about 10 minutes. Now nicely wash them and remove and keep them aside. In fact, I'm going to wash them twice because as I told you earlier, there is a lot of dirt on these. You can see here how dirty this has become. So discard it and repeat the process. And friends, don't forget to watch my Kingfish mold recipe also. It also turns out very delicious. Do watch my other recipes of fish on my channel. I am giving a link of the playlist on my description. Please do watch it. I have thoroughly washed them now. Discard this. If need be, you may wash it the third time, but mine are washed. Now drain the excess and let's get to cooking this delicious Bombil mole. This liquid that I used over here, the feni last extract, it is called pochok in Konkani in Goa. If you get it during the summer season, do buy and keep it. This comes very handy while preparing mole and para to clean it. Now add about 2 tablespoons of oil in your pan and fry these on medium flame about 2 minutes on each side, and then remove. They are ready. Do not make them crispy, please. Now this is a very important part. Now if you make them crispy, the flavor of the mole will be different and they will taste different. So frying them on medium flame is a very crucial step here in making a delicious mole. Now some people also deep fry them, but I prefer this so that there is less use of oil. Fry for about 2 minutes on each side and they are done. Now add half cup of oil in your wok and let it heat up a little. Then add half cup of sliced garlic and saute it for about 3 minutes. Then to that add 1/4 cup of finely chopped ginger and let both get well cooked till they turn brown. Here they are ready. At this stage add your ground masala and cook the masala for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame, stirring occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of your wok. Then do the taste test and check if the masala is well cooked. Now at this time, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar and let it get cooked into the masala. Adjust the consistency with some more vinegar if needed and continue cooking it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Do the taste test. If the masala is well cooked, then add your fried Bombil and stir them well so that each piece of the fish gets well coated with the masala, and cook on medium to low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then do the taste test. If any salt, sugar, vinegar is needed, please add and continue to cook for about another 2-3 minutes. Turn off the flame. It is ready to relish right now, but let it cool down completely before you bottle. It tastes delicious after about 8 to 10 days. The longer, the better. I fill it into my sterilized dry glass jar and cover it on the top with some oil which I heat up and then cool, and coat it on the top with that oil so that no moisture reaches to my pickle, and let it sit on my tabletop till the stock lasts. Try this recipe at your home and enjoy this delicious Bombil mole or the Bombay duck pickle at your home with your family, and enjoy this monsoon season when this type of dishes makes you drool. The very aroma of the Bombay duck pickle is so tempting, you can't resist tasting one. Thank you for watching this recipe. See you next week with yet another interesting and exciting recipe. I'm sure you would love this recipe, and don't forget to give your feedback in my comment section how you liked watching this recipe. Thank you. God bless. Moga Sundi Sodans.